Welcome to part 2 of Decorate the Space with me. So this is the vibe we are going for. And it comes with instructions: peel, stick, detach, and press magnet. Sounds simple enough. The magnet pops off so you can mix and match them. And peeling off the sticker is super satisfying, so I will not talk, you just listen. And I kind of messed that one up a little bit, but I just like peeled the top off and it was all good. So you're going to not do what I do and just eyeball it. You are going to get a level. The nice thing about this though is that you don't actually really need a level. Like, as long as it's close, you can kind of shift the magnet around until it's level, if that makes sense. But for me, quite honestly, I'm not that concerned. I just want to get this done. I was a little skeptical about how easy this is, but it really is that easy. Like, I peeled the frame off, pushed the magnet on the wall, and then just reattached the frame once the magnet was secure. And so you can kind of see what I'm saying. Like, you can kind of shift the frame around and make it perfect if you really wanted to bring out a level. So on the Mixtiles website, there are different gallery walls you can choose from. So I am just arranging this gallery wall the way it was designed on the website. I am also using a battery to space all the frames out evenly. Like, it doesn't have to be exactly like an inch from each other or whatever. I just like found something in the house that was around the width that I wanted them all to be spaced apart, and that's what I used. You can be more accurate than this if you would like to, but it worked really well for me. Okay, this is so cute. That was so easy. It took me about 10 minutes to do that. And just, wow, this is head on. So I wanted it kind of in line with the stairs, the stair railing, and it's like perfect. Like, oh my God, I love it so much. Okay, so I was really concerned that I wouldn't like these things because they're really light. So then I'm like, okay, this is kind of cheap feeling, but it's light so that it can stick to the wall. And I changed my mind. I don't feel like they are made out of cheap material. I mean, like, look at it. It took a good amount of space. Like, it literally, okay, so I'm gonna do it dead on. I tried to center it between the railing and that wall here. So between this guy and that guy. And this is it head on. I think it filled the space perfectly. Oh my God, it's looking so cute. I'm gonna say a 9 out of 10 for the Mixtiles review. And the only reason I say that is it's pretty pricey. Like, if it wasn't on sale and it was regular priced, I don't think I would have bought that. Now, to buy all the frames and to print everything out and then to like put them in the frame nicely and then having to hang them with nails, like, I feel like it would be less money, but a hell of a lot more work. So then maybe there's like a trade-off there. I'm gonna still say 9 out of 10. I wish it was a little bit more affordable. Like, I don't think I would do a gallery wall all the way up the stairs because it would be too expensive. So 9 out of 10. I would definitely recommend it. And I don't think I would frame regular photos in these. Yeah. I think it would have to be like photography level stuff. You know what I might do though is some wedding photos in the master bedroom for me and Alex. I think that would be cute. Installation was so easy. I've honestly had that box sitting there for 2 weeks, and now I'm just like, why did I have that box sitting for 2 weeks? I just thought like it would be way worse. Yeah, all you need is a battery to space things out and you're golden. If you guys have any ideas for the space that we last decorated. I really don't know what to do. Like, leave me a comment, DM me, whatever. Like, I have no idea what to do with this wall. It's definitely missing something. Couldn't tell you what it is. Couldn't tell you what it is. It's like off to me. It really is. Something needs to change. Half of me thinks the 2 small mirrors should be like on either side of the master bedroom, like above our side tables. But then, like, what do I do beside the mirror? I mean, I don't know. I'm not stuck on it. However, patching the drywall and painting the wall is gonna suck ass. It's like on for a journey with this one. But yeah, leave me a comment if you have any ideas of what to do with that wall, because there's definitely something off with it. All right, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.